Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in today's class I will start with the exercise from NCERT 1.3. In that I am giving you some questions for assignment, that is homework. See, first question, first main question. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols, subset or not subsets in the blank space. That means we have to fill the symbol which is suitable for that example. First one, see 2, 3, 4 on left side and the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Compare these two. Here we have a 2, here we have a 2, here we have a 3, 3, 4, 4. That means it is a subset. First set is a subset of second set. And the second one I am giving you as an assignment. Please note down. Second one I am giving you as an assignment. Moving to the third one. See, X is a student of class 11th. That means first PUC of your school. They can call as a class 11th and 12th. And right side, X is a student of your school. Of course, all the standards 1, 2, 3, 4, first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth, like that up to 12th. They are the students of the school, same school. That means it is a subset. Fourth one. X is a circle in the plane, and the right side we have X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. This question again, fourth one I am giving you assignment for the students. Moving to the fifth one. And please note down that in the next class I will give that assignment questions, then I will move to the next. You don't worry about that. I will explain that questions. Fifth one. X such that X is a triangle in a plane. X is a triangle in a plane, and right side X such that X is a rectangle in the plane. See that rectangle is a Kannada medium student ayata. Triangle means it is a triangle. Trikona. Now I remember it is a trikona. See, triangle is different, rectangle is different. That is, it is not the subset. Sixth one. This is the assignment question. X such that X is an equilateral. Samabahu, all the three sides are equal. Equilateral triangle in a plane. Samabahu, all the three sides are equal. And here right side X is such that X is a triangle in the same plane. In the same plane. This also I will give as an assignment. Sixth one. Seventh one. X such that X is an even natural number. And right side X is an integer. X is an integer. Of course, X is an integer is the biggest set comparing to even natural number. So this is a subset. Next, moving to the next one. Second question. Second main question. Second main question. Examine whether the following statements are true or in that first one. A comma B is not the subset of B, C, A. Compare the left side elements with the right side elements. Yes, here we have a A, here we have a A, here we have a B, here also we have A. Yes, left side set is the subset of right side, but it is not, it is given it is not a subset. That means the answer is false. False means wrong. The given answer is wrong. Second one. A comma E is a subset of X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. That means that indirectly they are given this set. This is nothing but A, E, I, O, U. And you have to say that whether this symbol they given is correct or what. This I am giving you as an assignment. Third one. 1, 2, 3 subset of 1, 3, 5. Here we have a 1, here we have 1, here we have a 2, but 2 is not present on the right side. That's why it is not the subset. So the answer is false. They have to give, it is not, but they are given it is a subset. Moving to the fourth one. Again, the fourth is also the assignment. Set A is a subset of A, B, C. Assignment. This is assignment question. Sixth. Sorry, it is the fifth one. A. It is element. A, B, C. So, element means they have to write without set. But here they wrote with a set. That means it is not a element. So, it is a false. Write down the reason. Because correct answer is what? They have to write the correct answer like this. Element means they have to write only the number without any flower bracket. Next question. This is assignment. X such that X is an even natural number less than 6. And it is given it is a subset of X such that X is a natural number which denotes, which divides 36. So this question is a assignment for you. The third main question. The third main question is like this. Let A is equal to which of the following statements are incorrect and why? So this is a question. The first one is 3, 4 is a subset of A. See, this is incorrect. Why? This is incorrect because 3, 4, even though it is a set, but it is an element of A. This is an element of A. Therefore, it is an incorrect statement. Why it is incorrect? See this 1, 2, this it is given 3, 4 is given in the form of set. So, this is an element of set A. Understood? Subset means we have to write not the element. Second question, that is for assignment. Three comma 4 element of A. Yes, already I explained you. Is it a correct statement or what? Yes, this is a correct statement. Then also I am giving you as a assignment. Third one. Yes, this is the correct. Even this is the element. That element we are writing in the form of set. Is a correct statement. That means the students come to understand that if you write the element in the form of set, this is the element. This we have to write the form of set means again flower bracket. Fourth one, assignment. 1 belongs to A. That means it is an element. This is an element. So it is assignment. This is the assignment. Understood? A means assignment. Fifth one. 1 is a subset of A. Yes. If you write the set, then only it is a subset. Understood? If you write only the element, it is not a set. Then what is your answer? Is incorrect. Is incorrect statement. Understood? Next, sixth one, assignment. 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. That is a assignment. Assignment question. Seventh one. 1, 2, 5 is an element of A. No, it is not an element. It is a subset. So it is incorrect statement. What is the reason? Because it is an element. It is an element. It is not the subset. Next. 8. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. This is assignment. Ninth one. Null set is an element of A. Element means it should be present in the set. And remember, null set is a subset of every set, not an element. So this is an incorrect statement. Is an incorrect statement because, but write down reason, because null set is not a, because null set is not an element of A. 10th is a homework, that is assignment. Null set is a subset of A. Homework question. 11th one. This is a subset of A. So here null set is not an element. Then where the question of writing this in the form of subset? If you write only the null set without a flower bracket, only the null set, then we are calling it as a subset. Then see, we are writing the like this. Null set is a subset of A. The symbol itself tells you it is a set. Again, no need to write that in the flower bracket. So if you write that in the flower bracket means it tells you it is an element. That means this statement is what? Wrong. Is incorrect statement. Because null set is a element of this. However, null set is an element of A. Now moving to the fourth main question. The fourth main question is write down all the subsets of the following sets. write it down all the subsets of the following sets. The following sets. First question. Here. Subset. Subsets are null set and a set itself. Null set and because null set is a subset of every set and every set is a subset of itself. This is the first one. Second question is assignment for students. A comma B. This is assignment for students. Third one. 1, 2, 3. See subsets. First write down single elements. That is 1, 2, 3. Then 2 elements at a time. And remember, don't write 2. If you write 2, 3 means don't write 3, 2. All should be different. And every set is a subset of itself. And lastly, null set, because null set is a subset of every set. Fourth one, null set. This is the assignment question. This is homework question. Students, some questions I give you as an assignment only for practice. You don't worry, in the next class, first I will solve that assignment questions, then I will move to the next questions of this exercise.